guys, it's Wild West here with Campers Inn RV of Mocksville, North Carolina. The 2020 Winnebago Travato 59KL National Park Edition was powered by a 280 horsepower Dodge gas engine that makes it the #1 selling B van in America. Comes with a National Park graphics on the side, in addition to the black alloy wheels and the larger size tires. You'll also notice on the outside a bike rack, a movable ladder, and rooftop storage that allows you to take all your gear anywhere you may travel. Inside the Travato 59KL, you'll notice twin bed seating or sleeping arrangements with some additional storage underneath the passenger side bed. You also have some storage in the floor for some of your secure valuables that does lock. Wet bath with extra storage for towels and linens, in addition to some overhead storage here for cell phones or magazines or whatever you may take with you. In the kitchen of the 59KL Travato, you're going to find a 2-burner stove, Corian countertops, a 12-volt compressor-driven refrigerator, in addition to a convection microwave. The Travato 59KL wet bath features a fold-down sink, medicine cabinet, and extra storage for towels and linens and other goods that you may want to store back there. The 59KL has a Pure 3 energy management system, which with the lithium batteries will provide 30 amps of electricity off of the battery power, which will allow you to run air conditionings, refrigerators, the Trumi Combi heat pump, whatever it is that you may need to operate. Just like being plugged into power, you're going to run that off your batteries.